Hey Dragon fam, it's Patrick from Distracted Dragon Makes. So I wanted to do a new series called Garage Rescue. This place is a disaster, and instead of just showing you the process and hyperlapse of taking stuff out and putting stuff back in neatly, I thought it'd be more useful for my audience to actually see the tool holders I'm making, designing, building, or buying to organize the shop in real time. So each week or every couple weeks, I want to put out a video that just basically shows you 2 or 3 tips or tricks or things you can purchase or print to help you do that. So today, my biggest problem is I can never find my PPE. So it's always someplace in the shop. I can't find it, and then I don't end up working on something because I can't find what I need to protect my eyes and ears from, doing woodworking. So I came up with this. So cleat walls are awesome. They're great for bigger tools, but I really want to take full advantage of these and get more use out of them. So I created this little cleat. It's got a holder to hold my headphones and one for my respirator mask. So I'm really excited about this. It's designed at a 45-degree angle. So when you print it like this, that you only need one tiny support here, and you can go without if you don't care if it's rough. So it only adds a couple minutes and like a penny's worth of filament to do. So this is ABS. You can use ASA or PETG if you're going to be in a hot shop like in North Carolina where it's 1,000 degrees. I think we've actually moved into the sun. I'll have the files on Maker's World if you're interested. You just basically clip it on here. Then I've got my face shield and respirator. I really like the all-in-one combo. So it just snaps right on there for that. And then the headphones I wear go there. So easy peasy. You can use this for anything though. If you want to hang cords, hoses, whatever, you could do that as well. So it's got a lot of useful attributes that make it a great first addition in the shop. So in the next video, I'm going to start doing 2 or 3, maybe 5 little pieces that I've either designed, built, bought, or adapted to make this cleat wall so much more useful than just hanging big tools on it. So stay tuned, please subscribe. It really does help the channel. Like it if you would. It just is really helping me grow the channel a little faster so that we can get more and more content out like this. So until next time, this project has hatched. Let's go fly the next one.